Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Global Scale channel. Today's video is about the Samsung 8 Plus hard reset. So just follow the steps and let's start. So we go to the settings to start with, and then all the way scroll down to general management. Click on it, go to reset, and then look for a factory data reset. But before that, there is one thing that I want a lot of people to know. Before you do a hard reset, go to the setup, go to the account. You will see right there, cloud and accounts. This is to avoid so you're not gonna get locked after you do a hard reset to your phone, and then you won't be able to log in with your email or password. If I don't know, sometimes I have people that they ask me that they forget their password and they will get stuck. So this is the step. Go right there, click on account. If you see a Gmail account right there, click on it and then go and remove the account. Once you do this step, even if you do a hard reset, they're not gonna ask you for the email and password, but make sure you don't forget this step. There is another thing. Sometimes you will see a Samsung account. If you see that, the same thing, remove it. Okay, now we're gonna continue to do a hard reset. We go to general management, click on it, and then we click on reset, and then look for factory data reset right there. Click on it, scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you will see reset. Alright, and then here, if you have a password on that phone or a fingerprint or anything, they will ask you for it, just for security purposes. So you will have to type it, then your phone will hard reset automatically. And then here you just click on delete all. So on this step, guys, if you have any pictures, documents, music, anything on the phone, it will be erased. So if you don't want to erase anything on your phone, do not do a hard reset. I'm just gonna say again, do not do a hard reset if you have pictures that you want to be saved. Alright, so at this step, the phone will just keep going automatically. You will follow the steps, but then make sure before you do this hard reset, your phone is overcharged. It's preferably more than 60% if you have a good battery. If you don't have a good battery, what you can do, you can still connect your charger and do the whole steps. So this is very important. Sometimes if you go like during this hard reset and your phone for some reason will shut down or turn off, you're gonna have a big problem with your operating system, which you have to download the whole firmware. So on that case, if you don't want to do it, just make sure your battery is already charged, or to be on the safe side, connect the charger and then follow the steps. Alright, so let's just wait. We're gonna just see the whole process so you guys know what you're looking for. Once you do a hard reset, you will go through the same steps.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting, he's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if he'll make it, don't know why he even tries.
Okay guys, so after the hard reset is finished and then the phone turn on, this is the first method to do a hard reset to Samsung S8 Plus. This is if you will be able to log into your phone and you want to do a hard reset. There is a second method. We're gonna just do it right now. We're gonna restart the phone and I'm gonna show you how to do a hard reset. This one, you don't need to go through the phone, you don't need to do the password or anything. You will just do a hard reset to your phone. Let's do it. Okay, so we get the phone and then we're gonna push the volume up button, and as you can see right there, there is a button all the way down under the volume down. There you go. So we're gonna press three buttons and the power button, three of them at the same time. We're gonna hold them all at the same time until you see the Samsung logo. Alright, so let's start. Keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. Alright, so it will go straight to the Android logo. Now you can release all the buttons. At this moment, you don't have to do anything. Alright, so once we see this list, we're gonna scroll down with the volume down button, and then we're gonna choose wipe data factory reset. There you go, you can see it there. So once you select it by scrolling down, we're gonna choose that option by clicking on the power button on the right side. Click to select power button, and then the next option they will ask us, are you sure you want to do that? Because once you do it, you're gonna delete everything on your phone. We're gonna scroll down with the volume down to click yes, press the power button to select it, and here the phone will restart, so you can start the process for wiping out the whole system. Click on it. At this moment, just leave the phone. It will keep working by itself, going through the process, and as I said before, make sure it's already charged, and let's follow the steps.
Has no patience, look at his face and in his eyes. He's been waiting, he's been way bound to the die. Always taking chances, all those conversations. Don't know if I'll make it, don't know why he even tries. Say, oh, I am a believer. Oh, don't know how I'll be if I'm not free to take a lead.
Okay, so after the phone turns on, we're gonna just follow this very simple and easy steps to turn on the phone and get to the menu. So we're just gonna put the Wi-Fi connection first. In my case, I'm just gonna type my password. You guys can type your own password as well. Click on first on the connections that you have. Put the password, click next, go next. So now in this time it's just loading. Now we're gonna select all and then click next. Configuring service. Now just my Wi-Fi was installing in the meantime, that's why I showed that the image. But once your Wi-Fi is connected, you will just go through this step, checking the info, seeing if there is any updates, and then here we're gonna choose skip. We're gonna skip this one, unless if you guys want to put your email, you can put your email and then password. Here on my case, I'm not gonna put an email, I'm not gonna choose any password for the home screen, so I'm just gonna go next, so it can be easy and quick. And then you guys, that's gonna be your choice. If you decide to put your own password, fingerprint, email, obviously, so you can install the applications, you can do that as well. Okay, so we click on the all the way down on the arrow, skip. I'm just gonna skip all the steps just to turn on to the menu. Alright, so all is done. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so we can always bring you the newest things in the world.